Gigising ko. So, ginawa. Set up ang bed. I mean, made my bed. Hindi pa ako makano. It's, oras na. 6:30 AM and kailangan natin gumayak. Today is the first day of work. Kumbaga, kasi it's the parents orientation today. Start this week actually, it's the parents orientation, so I'm excited kasi mamaya ako din po yung MC para Promdi today. So kayak na and let's do our best na lang. Stay there and I'll see you in a while.
This is Maestro Kelbong.
Siyempre, it's morning. Kailangan natin iwawa ng coffee. Yan yung part ng breakfast natin. So, si Paul, nagigising din yata. Ayun. Ayan, maliligo na yata siya. Kanina pa siya gising. Hindi mo lang ako ginising. Talagang ganun.
Ano ka na?
Ha? Hindi, kanina pa ako gising. Kaya lang, alam mo naman, kailangan mo ng... Oh, yan siya. Half, siya, naked.
Hindi, cool yan. Baka pa.
So, first day, breakfast muna tayo. Coffee. Coffee ka ba? Ha?
Yung tinapin mo. Saglit ka.
Okay. So, gawa tayo ng coffee. Ito. Gawa tayo ng coffee. May, for the brewed coffee in the morning para maganda ang araw. Kasi yan talaga yung nagpapaganda ng araw yung coffee na yan. So, let's do it. So, yun. Narinig niyo yung coffee. Nagbo-brew na siya. So, ano naman, syempre. Here, a little bit of sugar. Creamer. Share ko lang itong araw na ito. First day. Ito ko sa inyo kung ano nangyari ngayong araw na ito kasi lalo yung sabi ko kanina I'm seeing the parents orientation. So I'm very excited to see parents. Sana marami. Siguro marami sila. Pero ewan ko lang kung marami. Baka ako konti. Anyway, lang din naman. So, habang naghihintay tayo na mag-brew ng coffee, so, ang next na gagawin natin, prepare the bread. Kasi, ako talaga nag-bread ako in the morning, coffee and bread. So, nakikita niyo yung uso ko lang. Tapos yung unang coffee. It's roasted Italian roast coffee. Sarap. I woke up like this. This is Mr. Winston. He wakes up very early in the morning.
Yeah, I've been doing this for
How many?
since I was 16 years old.
Wow, yeah, he's a very hardworking man, and I've learned a lot of things from him. It's really good. Sometimes it's really good to listen to those experienced people, and you will definitely learn something else. Okay, so this video is actually created in dedication to all the students and the workers out there, because today is the official working day, and supposed to be like, for example, in the Department of Education, students or work teachers supposed to be going to school today as well, but the government or DepEd moved or postponed the opening of classes to October 5th. But for our school, because it's private school, yes, we opted to open the same day as, you know, as decided. Okay, so my coffee is ready, so here it is. Lagi namang masarap talaga. It's really good. The coffee is ready. Let's have coffee first. So I am back in my room, and yeah, I'm supposed to be drinking this cup of coffee for a day. But of course, while doing that, I have to fix some other things in the room. My laptop. So this is the usual day that I do. I have to make sure everything is packed before. And everything that I need to pack. Actually, because last night I already packed the other things. Okay. It's fine. To fix some other bits later on. And of course, I always listen to music. This is supposed to be the first thing that I do. Listen to music, Korean songs, K-pop. You hear that? Well, Korean songs have a lot of things to do for me. I'm really excited every day whenever I listen to Korean songs, and whenever I listen to music in the morning. So it makes my day as well, aside from, of course, drinking coffee. Wonderful. So excited. Tapos na coffee. Sarap. So guys, shower time. Mamaya prepare natin yung ating uniform. Dahil ang uniform namin today is yung pang Friday. So I'll be using this uniform today. Okay. Siyempre i-iron natin yan. We'll be using the flat iron. will iron it. But before that, I will take a shower first. So I'll see you in a while. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm on my way to school. And syempre, we're kind of late. It's already past 7:30 and I'm still walking. Oh, there are many cats. There's some cats in here. So, of course, meron tayo a face shield, face mask, uniform. I'll see you later. Okay guys, so dito na po tayo. We are here at the Father Burgos Gym and we are getting ready for the parents orientation. Siyempre ako yung naatasang maging MC today. So hindi ko man masyado maipakita sa inyo lahat, but it's a full pack. Pero siyempre they have already observed physical distancing and they're wearing their face masks, their face shields. Everyone is ready for me. So I'm excited. So this is it. Should have done this one before, pero I only used the students orientation. So in few minutes, siguro 2 minutes, we will be starting the program or the orientation. So I'll see you later. Hey guys, good afternoon. So it's the second part po ng aking emceeing gig. Hindi pala gig, emceeing task or responsibility. It's 1 o'clock ano dito registration and 2 o'clock mag-start na po yung orientation po ulit. So ngayon naman po, kanina kasing umaga we had the grade 7 parents and guardians. For this time we have the grade 8 parents and guardians naman. And then the orientation, parents orientation will last until Thursday. Ayan. So, pretty excited. Hindi pa puno yung mga upuan. So, let's just wait for a while.
Miss Janet S. Garcos. The Technology and Livelihood Education Department Head, Miss...
Yun na nga guys, I'm done with my duty as an MC today. It was a successful task. So si Lawrence ang susunod. So he will be doing the emceeing tomorrow for grades 9 and 10. Yan. So I'm happy. I'm happy because I'm done. So now I can breathe. I can breathe well. I can relax, and I don't need to wear my uniform tomorrow.
And I have to wear my uniform tomorrow.
Yes, you have to wear your uniform tomorrow. So by the way, this is Lawrence Rodriguez.
Hello.
And
Please visit the
available.
TBA.
And,
So may nagsabi
ayan,
ka.
so, saan na ba ako?
Please visit
Yeah.
TBA La Union.
Yeah, so please visit TBA, the Brew Authority. Yan, then po sa tapat ng SLC. Masarap po yung kanilang tea dyan. So, I will be making a vlog for that. So, just wait for it. Okay.
See you.
So, we're going to walk.
Punta na kayo, sir.
This is Maestro Kelbong.